Now, Daddy's going to make a short video, Keen. Okay, I just cold start here. I have a problem with the Saab. And I get a jump off my Alpha. Now the battery's dead because well, the battery's dead, but it's not causing this problem. So I had it tested last week, and the alternator's working and the battery's okay. The battery's just dead from starting it. So I'll show the problem anyway. So we're on the dash here. Key in the ignition. Good boy. We'll turn it on. Okay, we'll turn it off. That's another off position, on position. So the lights come up on the dash and they stay on. I haven't got any message, so no. No Momo, yeah. Okay, so we got it coming on. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, so it won't start. Maybe the battery's connection's a bit low. We'll try it again. Checking. Okay. Nothing on that one. Hang on, okay, we'll just recheck the battery connections. Fan is running. So we've got power going to it. Okay, that's okay. I don't know why the fan is running. And we've got alarms going off, that's not the car. Right, try it again. We've got to focus on that. We're getting out of focus. No, it doesn't want to focus. Right, now it's not working at all, so key not accepted. So I'm going to hit the unlock button while it's in that position. That should knock out the immobilizer for a second. Okay, nothing. The lights go off in the dash. Got the bong, I don't know, that's the door open. Key on. I hit the thing. Yeah, it started for me last night, Keen, didn't it? No. Didn't it start last night? Lights, unlock button. Sounds like we have no juice in the battery. Okay, basically the problem is when it starts, the lights stay on sometimes on the dashboard. All of them. Airbag light, traction control, ABS, sometimes the oil light goes on, sometimes the battery light goes on, but they all stay on. What lights have we got? Airbag, gearbox light, that stays on. And when it does start, it won't drive, it's in limp mode, but there's nothing wrong with the gearbox, it's fine. The engine's fine, the battery's fine, there's fuel in the car, even though it's not saying there's fuel in the car. I'll just see if it... No. And then sometimes when it does start, all the lights go off on the dash, everything goes off. Nothing's registering, no rev counter, no fuel, no temperature. I haven't got anything on the display. Sometimes it runs, and all the lights stay on the dash. I don't know what it was. The leading up to this was at the very start, a couple of months back, the alarm would randomly go off, and when the car was locked, so I just started using the key. After that then, I was driving home one night and then the lights just went on the dash, and the car momentarily wanted to die, but then it just flicked back to life and the lights went off, and it happened 2 or 3 times. And then last week I went into work and wanted to finish work early, and finish work, and when I was leaving, leave that alone there, Cian, leave that alone, I'm trying to make a video. It wouldn't start. Put the key on, all the lights stay on like that, and and it wouldn't start. Well, it started one time. It started for me last night, alright. I already took the ignition out last night. I was messing around with it last night. Took the ignition barrel out and I cleaned it, and I put it back in. I don't know. I don't think it's the ignition barrel, although I've seen videos online. So I don't know if anyone has a clue. Maybe they could. It's impossible to tell really without plugging it in. I know it needs to be plugged into a Tech 2. But if anyone might have it might flag something, I don't know. Sure, let me know anyway. I'll follow up. I'm gonna get the car looked at anyway, so I'll follow up and I'll make a video, and I'll let anyone that wants to know what it is that sorted it out. It could be an ECU, it could be an immobiliser module, I'm not sure. Nothing though, it doesn't want to turn over. Indicators are working, wipers are working, the lights are working, the interior lights are working, the radio turns on and off. Do you want to push it up? Yeah, see, that's working. So it's getting a signal somewhere. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. The light's not flashing on the immobiliser. Sometimes it is flashing, sometimes it isn't flashing. When you turn it off, it is flashing there now. Yeah, you probably can't see that. So I'm a bit stumped. Now, no lights. Some lights. Nothing. Turn it on. Nothing. Okay. Thanks a mil.